Hello friends, today I am with you with a new topic. The name of this new topic is Engineering Drawing, Reading and Understanding. So the very first video, part 1 video, is for understanding about the various type of fits. So dear friend, before we discuss more about this topic, I have a YouTube channel. So you can stay connected with me to learn more and more for other topics which are very useful for you. So how we define the fits? So fit definition is degree of tightness and or looseness between the two mating parts, or we can say male and female part. So there are three type of fits, basic fits we can say, which are depending on the actual limits of the hole or shaft. So three type of basic fits are clearance fit, interference fit and transition fit. So these are three type of fits. So when we talk about the clearance fit, so in case of the clearance fit, upper limit of the shaft is less than the lower limit of a hole. In other words, there will always be a clearance between the maximum size of the shaft when the shaft is at MMC position and when hole is at the MMC position. When both are at MMC position, there will always be a clearance in between. For example, like a shaft is rotating in a bush. Now we are going to discuss about interference fit. So in case of the interference fit, upper limit of the hole is less than the lower limit of the shaft. So in case of the interference fit, if the hole is at MMC condition and shaft is at LMC condition, there will not be any gap. So there will always be interference. So assembly can be done using some mechanical or external force. So there will be no gap between the face and intersecting of the material is going to occur. Third one is transition fit. When the dia of largest perceivable hole is greater than the dia of smallest shaft. So neither loose nor the tight like clearance fit or interference fit. So tolerance zone of the shaft and hole will be overlapped between the interference and clearance fit. So dear friend, if we go in more detail for three type of basic fits, like in case of the clearance fit, we have sub classification like slide fit, easy slide, running fit, slack running, loose running. So these are some various type of clearance fit. For transition fit, examples are like push or snug fit or ringing fit. For the interference, force or press fit, driving fit, tight fit, shrink fit, freeze fit. So these are some example of three basic fits which can be further classified. So dear friend, we have to achieve different type of clearance fit as discussed in the previous slide. Suppose we need the requirement of slide fit. So in the hole based system, when we are taking hole as a reference, so tolerance of the hole diameter is H7. For the male part, for the shaft, there will be tolerance of H6. So some examples are shown here like sealing rings, bearing cover, movable gears. So these are some of the example where we need the slide fit. For easy slide fit, we use the tolerance of H7, G7. H7, capital H7 tolerance is for hole, small G7 for shaft, like lathe spindle, some spigot design, piston and sliding valve. So here are some examples to achieve various type of fit as per the functional requirement. So whenever you have to design a part, So you can go through this table for various application. Some examples are shared with you. Another one is, now we are going to discuss interference fit. So there are various application example, like if we need force or press fit, like for crank pins, car wheel axle, bearing bushing in the casting. There we use H8 R6, H8 for hole and R6 for shaft, small R6. Like where we need the shrink fit, so in case of the shrink fit, hole tolerance will be capital H7 or H8 and the shaft tolerance will be U6 or U7. So like that we can select various tolerances on hole and on shaft to achieve different type requirement of fits. Suppose we need transition fit. So normally for the transition fit, we take the tolerance of H7K6 or H7N6. So dear friend, if you like the video, don't forget to like the video. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel where various videos are available to learn more and more. Thank you very much.